Hi, I'm Ian and I want to help you unlock the full potential of LinkedIn for your professional and business growth. I work with organizations such as yours, training individuals and teams and demonstrating how a complete and optimized LinkedIn profile can help you connect with your opportunities via showcasing your unique professional story through things like experience, skills, and your education. Our LinkedIn workshops can be bespoke to your organization and your marketplace. We delve into relationship-based engagement, teaching you how to leverage LinkedIn to its fullest potential. LinkedIn isn't just a digital CV or Facebook for business. You can organize online and offline events. You can join groups, write articles, post photos, videos, and so much more. In your workshop, we'll discuss how to utilize LinkedIn for your role and demonstrate how creating engaging content can help your network and can lead to lasting relationships. Firstly, we'll explore the importance of personal branding and how it sets the foundation for your professional presence. We'll cover the know, like, and trust factor and how relatability can significantly impact your network. You'll learn how to build a winning profile, including tips for your photograph, your headline, role description, and the importance of keywords. We'll discuss connecting etiquette, ensuring your connection requests are well received and lead to meaningful interactions. I'll demonstrate search techniques and I'll help you find the right connections and opportunities. And most importantly, we'll focus on content creation, giving you the skills to produce engaging posts that resonate with your audience. By the end of this workshop, you'll have the skills, tools, and processes needed to fully leverage LinkedIn for your business and your professional growth. Drop us a message and let's transform your LinkedIn presence together.